This is the strangest how to draw manga book I own. Instead of normal lessons, it teaches through a story about a girl named Iori. Yep, I bought a manga that teaches you how to draw manga inside a manga. Very meta. There are 13 chapters total, which I'll be splitting into 3 videos. Let's begin. Chapter 1, Perspective. Iori comes home from school and hears about a manga expo in Tokyo. Her father agrees to take her, and we immediately get a detailed skyline of Tokyo City. That's where the first lesson starts. We learn how to draw in perspective using adult eye level, child eye level, and insect eye level. Then it breaks down 1, 2, and 3 point perspective using vanishing points. Chapter 2, Constructing Characters. At the expo, Iori sees a mangaka getting attention and decides she wants to become one too. We then shift to Iori drawing a construction site, and we begin constructing characters. We learn body proportions across ages, how the torso and pelvis connect when twisting, and how to simplify the body into spheres and tubes. Chapter 3, Faces. After summer ends, Iori starts high school and notices all the different faces around her. We get the Loomis method for head construction. We also learn how to change proportions to create new character faces. This book is basically a full manga story that doubles as a drawing course. Part 2 continues with the next 3 chapters, and once I'm done reviewing this book, I'll give it a score out of 5 and let you know if it's worth buying.